Hello everyone, my name is Ben at TV Parts Today. In today's video, we are going to talk a little bit about why the part number reigns as king. When it comes to TV repair, there are a few different numbers that we can find on our main boards, T-cons, and power supplies. It is going to be important anytime that we are swapping a board out in our unit that we are using the part number to identify the various components that we could be swapping and not the board number. So what is the difference between a board number and a part number? Well, the board number will be referring to the blank printed board before all of the various components are soldered onto it. The part number will refer to the completed board with all of the various components that are soldered onto the part so it is ready to go into your television. This means that in some situations we can find the same board number on two very different parts and also two different board numbers on two parts that share the same part number. And trust me, I understand that this is confusing, but it's also why it is so important to be using just the part number when we are matching up parts, when we are deciding what to swap out in our DIY TV repair projects. Part numbers are as diverse as there are brands and models of televisions. Figuring out which information that we need to pay attention to and what information can be ignored can be fairly complex. Some brands will use parts from other brands, and some brands won't even have part numbers listed on the part anywhere at all. This is fairly complex, but TV Parts Today is here to help you every step of the way. If you are ever struggling to find part numbers in your TV, please feel free to reach out to TV Parts Today. We have a knowledgeable and friendly customer service department that is ready to answer your questions, ready to answer your phone calls and your emails about matching up part numbers for your specific television. We also have numerous blog articles where we will cover the process of how to identify the various part numbers in our television, covering most of the major brands. These are a few reasons why TV Parts Today is the world's #1 hub for DIY TV repair. That is going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions on how to identify part numbers in your television, you can give us a call at 930-212-1975, or you can send us an email to info@tvpartstoday.com. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.